Hey guys, welcome back to Robby Hobby. Today we are cooking my favorite Aloo Methi Sukhi Sabzi, a dry, flavorful Indian style potato and fenugreek dish that's packed with earthy taste, simple ingredients and pure comfort. Let's get started. First, take 4 to 6 medium sized potatoes and half boil them. You want them just fork tender, not fully cooked. While the potatoes are boiling, grab a bunch of fresh methi or fenugreek leaves. Now, this part takes a little patience. Bulk all the leaves, discard the stems, and roughly chop them. And wash them thoroughly to remove any grit. Once potatoes boiled, peel them and cut it in about 1.5-inch wedges. Now heat up a heavy pan or karahi and add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let the oil heat till it's nice and hot. It should just start to smoke lightly. Then carefully add half-boiled potato wedges to the oil. Right after that, pile the chopped methi on top of the potatoes. Add salt to taste. And now, here's the trick. Don't stir it. Just cover the pan and let it steam on medium-low heat for 10 minutes. Why? Because the potatoes will cook fully in the mustard oil, while the methi releases water and its deep earthy flavor, that flavor gets soaked right into the potatoes. So trust the process and don't peek. After 10 minutes, uncover the pan and gently mix everything together. You will see the potatoes and methi coming together beautifully. Cover it again for just a few more minutes. Now uncover and mix it very well. Time to spice it up. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it all really well so that the masalas coat every piece evenly. Cover one last time and let it simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. Once done, turn off the heat and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This resting time helps all the flavors settle and deepen. Now it's ready to serve. Transfer the Aloo Methi Sabzi to a serving bowl and enjoy it with warm roti, paratha, naan or even pita bread. Anything you love. It's simple dish but full of bold, nostalgic flavor. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Robby Hobby for more delicious home cooking. Thanks for watching. Now I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!